In the event that you're searching for stepn cost expectations estimate for 2024, 2025, 2030 and need to know where the costs of stepn GMT will go from now on, we will break down the past costs of stepn GMT and we'll figure out what specialists are talking about its future cost activities. If it's not too much trouble, remember that you really want to take this forecast in each and every expectation with the goal that this is just the idea of some market master examiners. As per the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of stepn is $725 and GMT is at present positioned #127 in the whole crypto biological system. The core supply of stepn is 1,367,824,719 with a market cap of $372,744,490. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto has been diminished by 0.5% in its ongoing worth. Assuming we look at the ongoing business sector cap of the GMT with yesterday's, you can see that the market cap is likewise down. stepn is confronting a tough time jumping aboard with other crypto coins. The GMT is down to nearly 7.12% over the most recent 7 days. The coin is as yet showing gambling with outlining portions for recent days. The coin could serious areas of strength for have in any case. We don't feel that it would a productive resource in present moment. stepn value expectation number cruncher. Our GMT expectation number cruncher utilizes progress calculations and AI models examine an immense range of variables, from verifiable value information to showcase opinion, to give an exhaustive forecast of stepn. Just information your ideal time period and see the likely anticipated worth of stepn. Our mini computer will produce a complete rundown of month-to-month cost forecasts. We anticipate future stepn cost expectations and estimate by applying profound man-made consciousness-helped specialized examination on the past value information of stepn. We give our all to gather greatest authentic information for the GMT coin, which incorporate numerous boundaries like past value, stepn market cap, stepn volume, and hardly any more. In the event that you are hoping to put resources into advanced cryptographic forms of money and need great profit from your speculations, make a point to peruse our expectations. The ongoing business sector cost of one stepn is $2,725. The typical extended cost for stepn in 2025 is supposed to be $0.5 as 111, with likely fluctuation somewhere in the range of $0.4971 and $0.6038. The cost of one GMT would reach as high as $392 by 2030. In a bullish situation, stepn could outperform the $342.04 mark for 2050. Displaying possible vertical energy. stepn value expectation 2025. The cost of stepn is anticipated to reach at the very least degree of $49.71 in 2025. The stepn cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $6,038 with a typical cost of $0.5 of 111 all through 2025. GMT value figure for 2026. The cost of one stepn is supposed to reach at least degree of $72.23 in 2026. The GMT cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $753 with the typical cost of $74.27 all through 2026. stepn GMT value expectation 2027. According to the figure cost and specialized examination, in 2027 the cost of stepn is anticipated to reach at least degree of $105. The GMT cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $1.26 with the typical exchanging cost of $109. stepn value expectation 2028. stepn cost is estimate to arrive at a most minimal conceivable degree of $156 in 2028. According to our discoveries, the GMT cost could arrive at a most extreme conceivable degree of $0.84 with the typical conjecture cost of $160. stepn GMT value expectation 2030. According to the estimate and specialized examination, in 2030 the cost of stepn is supposed to reach at any rate value worth of $329. The GMT cost can arrive at a most extreme value worth of $392 with the typical worth of $341. stepn value estimate 2031. The cost of stepn is anticipated to reach at any rate worth of $467 in 2031. The stepn cost could arrive at a most extreme worth of $573 with the typical exchanging cost of $481 all through 2031. The cost of stepn is anticipated to reach at any rate worth of $29 in 2032. The stepn cost could arrive at a greatest worth of $827 with the typical exchanging cost of $748 all through 2032. stepn value forecast 2033. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of GMT, in 2033 the cost of stepn is estimated to be at around a base worth of $0.46. The stepn value worth can arrive at a limit of $2035 with the typical exchanging worth of $10.76 in ESE. Stepn value figure 2040. Long-haul expectations ought to be drawn closer with alert because of the inborn vulnerabilities in the digital money market. Broadening and remaining informed about the most recent improvements are key procedures for overseeing gambles related with long-haul crypto ventures. According to our GMT cost forecast, the year 2040 can end with a greatest cost of $254.43, while the base value worth of a stepn can be around $209.12 with the coin exchanging at a typical cost of $224.62 approximately. GMT value estimate for 2050. According to the conjecture and specialized examination, in 2050 the cost of stepn is supposed to reach at least value worth of $339. The GMT cost can arrive at a greatest value worth of $342.04 with the typical worth of $315.99. Stepn value gauge facts. What is the fate of stepn? The fate of stepn is exceptionally subject to the general exhibition of the crypto business. With regards to putting resources into GMT, you really want to ensure that you are utilizing the right technique. This sort of venture isn't appropriate for those with a hilter-kilter risk profile. Notwithstanding, still a magnificent venture for those who have a high capacity to bear risk and a strong monetary position. Notwithstanding its speculative nature, GMT likewise offers openness to a worldwide innovation and a steadily developing environment. What is the stepn cost today? Today, stepn GMT is exchanging at $2725 with the market cap of $372,704,490,000. The cost of stepn will increment as additional financial backers engage in the task. In year 2025, stepn will be worth about a normal cost of $0.5 every 111. How high might stepn at any point go? The typical cost of stepn GMT could go to $5 on 18 before the current year's over. Assuming we gauge the 5-year plan, it is assessed that the coin will handily come to the $0.60 mark. What amount will stepn be worth in 5 years? In 5 years, stepn will have a base cost of $0.84 and a greatest cost of $1.56 per GMT. Since stepn is exchanged on an organic market premise, its worth varies radically. What will be the GMT most noteworthy conjecture cost for 2024? The GMT cost is supposed to arrive at a most extreme degree of $3.8874 toward the finish of 2024. What amount will stepn be worth in 2030? As far as value, stepn has a remarkable potential to arrive at new levels. It is conjecture that GMT will increment in esteem